Welcome back. I love the freedom of cycling, but I've been struggling to get the bike repaired at the bike shop because of the current situation. So I ordered this slime off Amazon, and it is pretty remarkable how it works. So all you do, this is a flat tire as you can see. You take the valve out, and I spent a bit extra to get this valve removing tool. Um, it makes it a lot easier rather than using this, which comes with it. So you can use that, but this one doesn't break like that one did for me. And then you just screw to the left to take it out, in this case to the right. You can hear the air coming out. Now it's best to leave a little bit of air in the tyre. Once the valve is out there, put this somewhere safe, and then you use the tubing which comes with it. I've made my own, but that's only because I lost the tubing that comes with it. So the tubing comes with it. Here's your slime. Attach the slime, and then to repair a flat tire, use half of the bottle of slime. You simply just squeeze it into the tire like so. And then the mistake I made when I repaired it previously was I left it for quite a long time before I spun the tire. But actually you're meant to spin the tire and then straight away, and then fill the air in the tire straight away. Focusing, move to the side a little bit because it's filming. So last time we did it, I think I didn't put enough in. What do you think?
Yeah.
So I'll try and put more in this time, because this is what, £6. Whereas getting a tyre replaced, repaired costs more than that, and the reviews on this are really good. So if this works, then it's probably better to do this than it is to go and get the tyre replaced, in terms of the time and cost. So I've put as much of that as I can, pretty much. Again, it is a lot, isn't it?
Squishy.
Is it squishy?
Yeah.
Alright, so maybe it's working. I think that's as much as I'm going to get out.
That's enough.
Okay, so if you pull that off for me, and then
Yeah.
got slime covered hands, and then if we put the, you might have to wash your hands, otherwise you might get inflated
That's pretty.
like the tyre. And then we'll put that back in,
Yeah, put it on the trampoline.
and we'll screw this back in. This time to the left. Go, it's nice and tight. And we'll spin this because we're meant to. And now we're meant to put in the air in the tyre, and Bob's your uncle, as my brother would say. You're done.
What did you say?
Bob's your uncle.
What is that, Bob, your uncle?
It means Bob,
Yeah.
is your uncle.
Bob is not our uncle.
Yeah, you got an uncle called Bob.
No.
Yeah, Bobby.
Bobby just that.
Fill this up.
No.
Let's do 10 each. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your turn.
Hey, can
Alright.
you push it down?
You can do it, you can do it. I believe in you.
Okay.
1. That's it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My turn.
I want to do one of it.
Oh, it's done. Well done. And there you are.
No,
Quick,
put it out.
simple, easy bike
Put
repair.
it